Friends, this is Valerie coming from my studio. Thanks for checking out my videos. I hope you're having a great week so far. Today's Thursday. I can't believe it's gonna be Friday tomorrow already. Anyways, I hope you've made the best of the week and that you'll have a great weekend. It's just a little tidbit here I want to share with you because I am reupholstering chair for my client, and this is the second chair I'm reupholstering, and I noticed that there was no batting on the foam when I took the old fabric off. Now the tidbit is always when you are reupholstering or upholstering a chair, always put batting, cover your foam with batting, because when you cover your foam with batting, it makes the fabric lies better, and even when you sit on the fabric, it doesn't crinkle the fabric as much, and the fabric will last longer too. It will give it a more voluptuous look also. It will look more luxurious. So make sure you always put batting on your foam before you put your fabric on. That's the tidbit. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for your lovely comments. Now you have yourself a wonderful weekend.